For this equation, you're trying to figure out which of the equations in the choices is equal or equivalent to the original equation. So to get started, we need to think about what it means to be equivalent. Okay, equivalent means that the same value for x is a solution to both equations. So to get you started, I would actually go ahead and solve this equation. Okay, so use the sketch box to do that. Once you know what x is, then I would take that x value that you found and plug it into each of these guys right here. The one that is true, so the one that you plug in when you plug it on the left side that gives you what's on the right side is going to be your equivalent equation.